Hi, I'm Mo. I'm from Stroztech, and this is our problem. Stroztech is a technology solution provider. We do system integration and automation. Our problem statement is about cabling installation, as most of our equipment require network and power cabling. However, during cabling installation, we face safety issues such as work at heights, difficult to reach locations, and challenging environments. Problems such as these cost us time and manpower resources. The solution we're looking for is something that can bring our cables from point A to B. It can go through nooks and crannies, it can actually go through very high ceilings, in trenches, and as well as the outdoors. So if you can solve our problem, you not just only stand to gain a monetary prize, you'll also be able to work with us regionally, as well as disrupt the construction industry together with us. We look forward to hear from you.